Hello, Decca. So, this is now our how many days of rain? Second day of rain. So, kanina mas worse daw, sabi ni Habi. We're going to go around and check. Kasi open yung mga drainages but the water's not seeding anywhere.
And mabagal at mag-flush ang toilet and sink.
And then, mind you guys, yung sa likuran namin, yung parang may place daan pa sa likod, kapantay na ang kanyang easement doon. Hindi mo na makikita. Ito baha na talaga. Malalim na. Pumapasok na sa garahe ang tubig. So, this is around, it's 10:45. Ito na yung likod. Baha, daddy. Malalim. Yan. Oh my God.
Strong wind.
Punta tayo sa phase 2. Ayan. So, we don't know if we have to evacuate anytime. Kasi yung likod namin, sandal yung pader namin sa perimeter wall, and yung perimeter wall is nakadikit na yung tubig kasi yun yung ilog. Phase 1 pa lang to, isang ikot lang. I can't tell if there is a hole on the road or something. Pantay ito, yan, ayan o. Yan yung ilog sa likod, kapantay na halos. Ilog na yan. Yan, ilog yan. Okay. And makita dito na maagos na yung tubig. Kasi wala na mapuntahan ang tubig ulan. So this is Amethyst Road namin yan. Kapantay na sa ilog ang kalsada. Halos kunti na lang. And then we'll have a problem.
Phase 3.
So, ikot muna kami. So this is the situation for phase 1. They didn't close it. Yan, sinara nila yung daan. Ibig sabihin, delikado yung pwesto na yan. Sinabi na nga na sa bahay namin, binabaha din yung tapat namin. So I have to turn the car just enough na makakasakay yung mga kasama ko. Okay. Kita niyo gano'ng kalakas yung hangin. Ano na.
inside the trash.
Yan, inaagpas na lang ulo mga sakyan nila eh. Kasi wala namang yung tubig. Yung iba wala nang pasok ngayon, gawa ng emergency.
Washing gate nila eh.
It's always open. So, ito yung daan papunta main gate namin. This is the longer way.
I don't use the air conditioner. It's cold outside.
Oops. Now this is going to the main road now. So kung hindi mataas yung sakyan mo, kawawa. Yan yung problem dito. Ito wala na. Pasok na sa garahe, kapantay na sa daanan ng tao yung tubig. And then yung usapan na mag-relocate, I don't see the point. Kung ganito ang sitwasyon. Ito yung punta man tayo sa Apia. This is going to phase 2 and phase 3. Yan, ito nyo. sa likod hindi rin. Sa dulo. Ito yung may abandoned Ha?
Hindi na po, lalabas po ba kayo?
Oo.
Nakita na po tubig sa labas eh.
Ay, we?
Oo. Nakita na tubig sa labas, malalabas yan, dapat kami.
Kasi ito pang lusong talaga. Eh, binablog ko nga eh. Hello.
Kalahati ng ano,
Hmm.
kalahati na ng kotse yung...
Oh, ano mo, i-vlog mo, kuya. Oh, kuya, galing na po kayo sa labas. Anong nangyayari sa labas?
Hanggang... Bibili kami ng flashlight. Ayaw na. Hanggang bewang na ho tubig sa labas eh.
Ayun, so 'di ba yung investment natin tapos kasabay nung ito na nga nasa dagat na tayo.
Wala na ho eh, dagat na eh.
Oh, sige.
Lalabas daot kami eh. Eh kaso lubog na yung kotse eh.
Ingat kayo.
Ingat.
Sige po, salamat
Thank
po.
you po. Ayan guys, medyo delicate na nga daw yung ating sitwasyon. So anytime we have to evacuate, ang tanong, paano mag-evacuate kung ang kalsada sa labas ay hindi siya passable. So let's check since our car is safe naman for Luzon. Nakilala si Ate Sipa na tumandog. I don't know them. And alright, so guys, we're down to 10 minutes.
Oy, you're sneezing. You didn't. You should have worn a t-shirt. Growing up, oh. Tama.
Sabi mo, wala na madaanan. O wala nang oo.
Lubog yan. Bata Mary kayo.
Baby in there? Is there a baby in there?
No
What's in there?
stuff. So guys, even if you want to evacuate, we can't.
Ikot na lang tayo.
Yeah, I changed it to sport mode. Should be fine. So let's see how bad it is. Yan, kasi pababa sa gate eh. So we're all stranded.
Wala na yan dyan.
Oo nga. Ayun, tignan mo yung mga tao.
Iba-vlog lang.
Hindi natin kaya to.
Okay guys, so ito na yung mismong entrance namin ng Deca. Ito nyo, wala na.
Ayaw mag-stop ng camera.
Ayan po. Okay. So hindi na talaga kaya.
Turn mo yun. Turn. Para makita natin.
Okay. So ito na yung Deca Homes. This is the gate, guys. Yung sakyan ko kahit designed for Luzon kasi it's a remodified vehicle. I will not take the chances.
Good thing this one is built higher. Huh? Ito yung laki ng elevation nito taas nito.
So nakakita niyo this is already hanggang saan po kuya to? Hanggang hita na? Ay, oo. Halos baywang na. Okay, so yan guys. So even if people want to evacuate, they can't kasi ito na yung problem. This is the main road going to MacArthur. And nakakita niyo gano'ng kalalim. Okay? Hanggang MacArthur na yan. And the problem here is it can reach up to 5 feet yung depth, no? So hindi talaga kakayanin.
Tsaka gumagalaw yung tubig, ang lakas oh.
No, lakas ng agos or may trash na maagos po. So you can see how fast the water, the current is. No? Ayan,
Ayun,
no? Tinatangay lang.
Pakanan. Go.
So
Go to the
ayan
right.
guys. So naka sport mode, that means my vehicle is prepared for floods. So this can handle flood. But I will not take the chances. So just imagine I would have to go to the office, no, and come home at this time of day. Di rin ako makakauwi, and then yung problem pa sa bahay na paghuhudan yung likuran kagaya ngayon, additional cracks pati yung sa taas naglilik na kasi naghiwalay na yung bubong, kakakalog-kalog nung malakas ng hangin. So hindi rin maganda yung fitting ng bubong natin dyan kasi nagsihiwalay, no? So yun yung problem. For relocation, no? Na gusto ni Alok for relocation. So nakita nyo naman na they're trying to remodify yung lalagyan ng foundation at this time, no? So tinaas talaga, kinapalan pa ng So obviously they're trying to put foundation of some kind. Hindi niya nakikita no. Ayan. Hinuhukay na nila lahat kasi nga si Block 70 dapat ililipat dito. So hinuhukay nila na ngayon, no. Mataas man ito pero not quite as well, no. So I don't know guys, no. Decision nyo na lang. Ako kasi aminado na aalis na lang due to the situation given and kita sa labas. So what if you have an emergency, kailangan mong mag-hospital, wala na, no? Kahit na inatake sa puso, wala na. So think about those things. You might be safe and cozy in your home, however wala talaga, no? What this will last a week, kagaya nung Undoy, 2 linggo, 3 linggo ba naglast yung problem bago nag-subside, no? So just imagine, picture yourself, will it be worth it na mag-relocate pa kayo? Kung ang labasan nyo is hindi siya passable? Yun yung tanong, tanong nyo. Ako, aminada ako, hindi ko alam, no? Kasi at the time, I just wanted to move, have my own home, kasi problem sa mga may-ari ng bahay. Well, kanya-kanyang sitwasyon, no? Kasi it's different naman for everyone. Pero yun na nga, sino man nakakalain ng ganyan. But this is the evidence. So if you really truly want to invest here at your own risk po, wala naman akong sinasabi na absolutely pangit, no? It's just really the way of the construct naman talaga may problema. Advice ko lang is
Bulacan is flood prone.
Bulacan talaga known naman for flood area, no? So kahit saan kayo bibili, keep that in mind, no? Yan talaga siya. Okay? So yun lang guys, thank you for watching.
No, I don't wait for tomorrow. No, I won't give it a break. Don't need to beg, steal or borrow. Watch me as I walk this way. I'm busy building an empire. Don't really care what they say. I'm only here for a good time. Drown 'em out like now I'm gonna stay. Mind over matter, take control. All my visions are set in stone. Don't kill my vibe, I'm flawless by design. Can't change my mind, got too much on the line. Oh,